What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next video I'm actually going to do another analysis on the DUSK network, because if we just delete this, this was my previous analysis. I thought the price was already above this, just so you know, and you can always check this in my last video on DUSK network. Here at Cilinix we're about transparency, so you can just check this. What I thought would happen was that we had a small consolidation, in the best case scenario at least, while finding a break retest of 43 cents. Well, we went down a little bit further up until 41.2 cents, but from there it actually was quite bullish, as you can see from this bull run we just had again, of about 45% again. And yeah, it reached the price target I set there. I set, I believe, around 62 or between 62 cents and 65.35. I drew the arrow up until this point, so that was kind of lucky, because it actually reached that and it's now finding resistance off of it. You know, when I saw this morning, it looked like that this move was going to be bigger, this red candle. But now it's actually getting up there again. So I am not even quite sure if this will be the top. I mean, in my opinion, we could even go further, and my next real price target would be around 80 cents. I mean, my intuition tells me that it might find a resistance a little bit lower, just because we are not yet in a real bull market again. We are making more bullish moves, but yeah, that 75 cents, that's a psychological resistance level, and that tends to hold a lot of the times with such bull runs. So in my opinion, it's a big price area, but either from 75 or from a little bit above 80 cents, it is going to find resistance if it goes up. But for it to go up, we'd really need to close above 65.60. That's the main thing. We would really need to do something like this, close there, and then we could break retest off of 65.60, and then it's even legal to bounce off of this 60 cents psychological support level, and from there, as I said, either 75 or a little bit above 80. That would be my next support. Let me do this first, because yeah, I don't like the way this looks. So that's really the most bullish scenario. I mean, I set this target last analysis with a reason. This is actually quite a big resistance area. So yeah, if we're looking at like this fib, I mean the still bullish case, or the other scenario there is that we will find support off of this 618. That's also together with a key level. That might happen, and if we have a really good bullish move off of that, we might also see this scenario, so something like this, to go up to those price targets again. But in my opinion, it's just going to be more likely that we go down a little bit from where we are right now. I mean, I did set the conditions for if you want the price to get higher, I'd say it needs to close at least at around 68 cents for it to, or 67. That's also fine. Around that area, the candle needs to close. Otherwise, I don't really see it going higher. I mean, we could also see some consolidation. It will probably drop down to 52.40. We'll find some support there. But ultimately, I think there is a very good chance that we will drop all the way down to somewhere like 44 cents again. And when I say that, I start to doubt it, because that's a 30% loss. So that might take a while, but what you tend to see with these bull runs is that eventually it dries out. And as I said, that point doesn't necessarily have to be here. There are some conditions in which I think it can go higher. But most bull runs I've seen in my trading days, which have been a lot of bull runs, is that they eventually go down, they consolidate, they go down a little bit more, and I think that last level might be 44 cents. So that is going to take a while, I think. I think it's more likely that we, within this scenario, as I said, maybe find something like this, as I said, and then that it eventually drops down. And from there we can have another uptrend, a bull run again. I mean, that definitely has happened. But yeah, the price just often needs some rest, some accumulation and some consolidation. Definitely within this market, which isn't necessarily bullish, as you can see. So that's basically my analysis for the DUSK network, DUSK crypto. As always, not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on technical analysis. And yeah, if you have any questions about that analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.